Pendiaming ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Dari bendon kelenti banginyo lang bat minlong long job. Kani kadawa tapung gajuk mentah. Kani kapor kadawa banginlong paminjat. Ong ipi tongin snok tilang, tongin snotho lang, tongin tre lang penjob yung nung shun besyong teh po sekretariat utaw konrat ke sama utaw day nung shun cho kajet bendriu. We often credit that why our success should come into someone's failure or why your success should come into others' failures. Our message is strong and we want direct to say to you, let's come together, join hands together, understand each other, and we will fight the common enemy, Mr. Konrad K. Sangma. Now I will counter the briefing of Mr. Konrad K. Sangma. Ngan pensay sa pi kipat ba ya gajing keren menteri rangba nadu ka khatpra tarik panay ba ar hajar ar puar habaw la khat yangi kiseng boper ban ya keren ya gane ka MOU shaban keren kunta nga kwa ban kali na kini kiba ya shong khabar gar. I would like to ask how many of you are from Malong Khana? I want to see, please kindly raise your hand. Konrad Sangma said that it's the will of the people. If it is the will of the people, then who are this? Who are these people? Is this they belong from Bangladesh or from Meghalaya? Straight question I want to ask from Mr. Konrad K. Sangma and relate with Mr. Deputy Chief Minister. He said that they can't review the MOU, but I said to him, we didn't ask to review the Meghalaya. We to ask to review the MOU of Meghalaya. Am I right? Maybe he's confused that he always mentioned about Meghalaya. Where the heck is that Meghalaya? I want to ask all from my friend. Kapag bangkali, hangadan ta ka Meghalaya, itip ta ka Meghalaya, yakata ka MOU. Pak Preston Tersong, Kibriyo jong Malong Khana, Kipan, yakat ban pembet ban review no yaka MOU jong ka Meghalaya. Hindi ban ya shet. Konrad kongkal kia sama ula ong men kani ba kadi gajing menjor jong kisnong gitaw ki stakeholder ki seng phalang haringkat ngai don mentu kesinya don lang bat don di iklem menjor bat ngipani kopi jong ka MOU uang bala depat kadi ke sarkar ke basyat syukur pat kadi ke mungsun jong ri jibat kejat benriu keberang hapo upur usam jong ka Meghalaya kani kadi ke sarkar bat ngisu phalaru ngisu I jokar kamtam yagini ki basong hapo sectional balay kidai maki jing shisha ban yakun yakani kabardar isu umdei usim umdei manoru kinyat kisiem umdei ye kapisa kabawan na po central government balay kisim yakata kanong keti ba o kadai ka sectional papet banyada itari ka riti dustar hendrei manap ya poy yopot usam kiya kalang balay na nakapor skopor ni sedong bandai ban depoliticize no kanang ba utay UNPP basong hapo disuk konsel new UDP unla ban pasya wat num yalong lang kanya ingin ni pasya yo ko hok ingin ya kun te tang man sutho khindiat kini ki perlok lom ki pamya so kre ngan supa banong ya bi mangan sukran khindiat di kintian nong wai मेरा भाइयों बहनों हम आप